Why do 80% of lunar samples surprise us? Let's find out why Chang'e 6 is a game changer. Chang'e 6 has just brought back the first ever samples from the moon's far side, and the results are blowing our minds. These samples are lighter, more porous, and packed with light-colored particles like feldspar and glass. What's even more fascinating? The trace elements like thorium, uranium, and potassium are unlike anything we've seen from the near side. This means the far side of the moon has had a totally different evolutionary journey. These findings are rewriting lunar history books. We now have new clues about the moon's formation and even potential resources for future missions. So, next time you gaze at the moon, remember, there's a lot more to our lunar neighbor than meets the eye. Stay tuned as scientists dig deeper into these cosmic revelations.